Hello everyone. Can you find the value of x for the given equation? This type of questions are generally asked in C.A.T, M.A.T, bank PO, railways and different type of competitive exams. So today I am going to teach you how to solve this type of equations. So let's start. Solve for x. Log base 10 x minus log base 10 root x equal to 2 log base x equal to 10. So this we can write like log base 10 x minus log base 10 root x, we can write x raised to the power 1 by 2 equal to 2 log x 10. This implies log base 10x minus 1 by 2 log base 10x equal to 2 log base x 10. So this gives log base 10x minus half log base 10x gives 1 by 2 log base 10x equal to 2 log x base x 10. Now using base change rule, and base change rule is log, if we have log base BA, so we can write like this log base log base BA equal to 1 by log base A B. So we can write like this. So for this we can write this like 1 by 2 log base 10x equal to 2 upon log base 10x using base change rule. So this gives log base 10x whole square equal to 4, and this implies log base 10x equal to 2. Taking square root both the sides, so we get this, and therefore we can say that therefore x equal to 10 raised to the power 2, and this implies x equal to 100. So our answer is 100, x equal to 100. I hope you enjoyed my video. Feel free to suggest any topic that you want me to discuss. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel right now. Thank you for your support.